Hi, welcome folks, it's Bill here for Bill's Bonsai. This video is a little bit different today. I'm actually doing the voiceover for a little change because when I did try to record it, my neighbours were working in the garden. They were hammering and chiseling at things and it was just like absolutely impossible to use the audio. Plus it wasn't the very best video. But what I'm going to do here in this video is actually I need to make up a pot for a plant that I collected. It's a 4-litre pot I'm using and I don't have enough soil there, so what I'm going to do is bulk it up with some coconut coir, but I want to add a lot of sphagnum moss to it as well, which I'm doing. So I had some coconut coir lying about, so I just wanted to bulk it up to make sure I had enough for the pot, and I also had some sphagnum moss from previous years which I've added to it as well. So I'm breaking up I get the sphagnum moss and I'm just sort of like crumbling it in my hand and breaking it up and trying to mix it into the soil. Make sure it's all well mixed in. Sphagnum moss is a good additive if you want to try and help a plant to grow, something that's, for some strange reason, and this is, it was a tip that we got from Heron's Bonsai. When watching their videos, usually when a plant is sick or ill or needing a wee bit extra TLC, they would put sphagnum moss into the pots and it just helped the root. So this is what I'm doing because I've just collected a small plant and I want to make sure that I want to give it the best start, and I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that adding the sphagnum moss to the mix is going to do that. So at this point I'm actually really happy with how the mix looks with the basic soil mix that I've got, plus with the coconut coir and sphagnum moss. It all looks quite good, so I'm filling up the pot and getting ready for this young little seedling to get settled into its new home. So using the hori knife, I used it to dig up a little oak seedling that I discovered, and I had a bag ready with me, my knife ready with me, and the bag, there's a little seedling there with a little acorn and everything. It could possibly be a sessile oak, I'm not sure, but we'll have to wait and see, I suppose. So the bag there's got a soaking wet some kitchen towel in it, and I had it all ready, so I take it home in this bag where it's kept safe and moist. So I'll take it out of the bag and get it ready for its new home. I did manage to find a taproot in there while I was having a look at it, but there was also a lot of grass growing, which I really didn't want in the pot, but I didn't want to disturb the roots either. I didn't want to kill the tree before we even got started, so I kind of left it more or less alone and took a couple of wee bits of grass out, but I wanted to get it in its pot and settled in. There was quite a lot of moss growing where I found the oak, so I thought it'd be a good idea to have moss in the pot as well, and also to help for the root health. So that's it, settled in its new home. But for some strange unknown reason to myself, I don't know why, I decided to take the moss off the little divot of dirt and throw it into the pot. But there's grass in it as well, so I probably shouldn't have done that, because I'm not wanting grass growing through the pot. I also then added some wire to the oak and give it a little bit of shape to the trunk, just to give it a bit of interest, and also give it a fine watering as well. And that'll sit for hopefully the next couple of years anyway, to see how things go, and I'll keep you updated. So that's it for this video, folks. Very much appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe, and that will really help the channel go along greatly, and also help you keep updated with all the little trees and projects that I've got going. Alright now, thanks very much. Bye now.